Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study Science Class 10 Chapter 2 Acids, Base and Salts. Give the common property of acid. Acid are sour in taste and turns blue litmus paper into red. Give common properties of base. Bases are bitter in taste and turns red litmus paper blue. Name some artificial indicators used for acid-base taste. Artificial indicators are methyl orange and phenol phenolphthalein. Give summary of reaction of metal with acid. Acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. When write reaction of sodium hydroxide with zinc, 2NaOH plus Zn gives Na2ZnO2 plus H2. Give definition, neutralization reaction. The reaction between an acid and a base to give a salt and water is known as neutralization reaction. Example, acid plus base gives salt plus water. What is meant by alkali? Bases produce OH minus ions, hydroxide ions in water. Base which is soluble in water is called alkali. How is pH of any solution measured? Generally, to measure pH of any solution, impregnate paper is used along with universal indicator. What is antacid? During indigestion, the stomach produces too much acid and causes pain. To get rid of this pain, people use bases called antacids. Give equation of alkali method to produce sodium hydroxide. 2NaCl plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2O. Give equation for preparation of baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate. NaCl, sodium chloride plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 ammonia gives NH4Cl, ammonium chloride plus NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. What is used to remove permanent hardness of water? Washing soda, Na2CO3.10H2O. What is meant by aqua regia mixture? 1 part concentrated HNO3 and 3 parts concentrated HCl mixture is called aqua regia. When baking soda is heated, what happens in it? When baking soda is heated, sodium carbonate and water is formed and carbon dioxide gas is released. Like 2NaHCO3, on heating it we get Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Write a balanced chemical equation of reaction of bleaching powder with hydrochloric acid. CaOCl2 bleaching powder plus 2HCl gives CaCl2 calcium chloride plus H2O plus Cl2. What is the pH of digestive juice produced during the process of digestion? Digestive juice possesses hydrochloric acid. It is a strong acid, therefore pH of digestive juice is always less than 7. In distilled water, some drops of liquid X are added and observed that pH of water is decreased. Then what would be the liquid sample X? In distilled water, pH is equals to 7. X can be an acid like HCl, therefore when it is added into distilled water, its pH can be seen less than 7. A student has 4 liquid samples A, B, C, D which contain dilute HCl, aqueous KCl, dilute NaOH and distilled water respectively. Then which samples will have same pH value? pH value of liquid solution B and D will be equal because both are neutral. pH values of solution A and B are 5 and 8 respectively. Then which solution will be basic in nature? The solution B will be more basic because its pH is more than 7. Arrange following compounds into ascending order of its pH values. NaOH solution, blood, lemon juice. Lemon juice pH 2.2 is less than blood pH 7.4 and is less than NaOH pH 14. How is strong acid different than concentrated acid? The strength of acid depends on its dissociation capacity, while concentration depends upon the amount of water present in acid. When sodium hydrogen carbonate NaHCO3 is added in acetic acid, which gas is produced? When NaHCO3 is added in acetic acid, CO2 gas is produced. When gypsum is heated at 373 Kelvin, give name of main product and its chemical formula. Plaster of Paris, calcium sulfate anhydride, CaSO4.12H2. Which salt is obtained from strong acid HNO3 and weak base NaH4OH, NH4NO3 ammonium nitrate, HNO3 plus and NH4OH gives NH4NO3 plus H2O. That means nitric acid plus ammonium hydroxide gives ammonium nitrate and water. Name the gas released by reaction of acid with metal and give example for the same. Hydrogen gas H2, example Zn plus dilute H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. Give example of anion acidic and anion basic salt. Acidic salt NH4OH ammonium chloride. NH4OH plus HCl gives NH4Cl plus H2O. Basic salt Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. 2NaOH plus H2CO3 gives Na2CO3 plus 2H2O. Give such base which is not alkali. CuOH twice. Copper 2 hydroxide is not alkali, but it is base. Which acid is present in vinegar? CH3COH. Acetic acid. A solution has pH value 4 and another solution has pH value 1. Who is more acidic? As concentration of hydronium ion is more, value of pH is less. Therefore, solution having pH 1 is more acidic. A student dips pH paper into acid rain, then pH paper will turn into which color? Rainfall having pH less than 5.6 is called acid rain. Therefore, the color of pH paper turns into red from blue. Is lemon juice acidic or basic? What is its estimated pH value? Lemon juice is acidic. Its pH is near 2.2 to 2.4. What is the color of phenolphenolphthalein in basic medium and color of methyl orange in acidic medium? In basic medium, phenolphenolphthalein gives pink color while phenyl orange gives red-orange color in acidic medium. Why does lime water turns milky when passed from carbon dioxide gas? By passing carbon dioxide gas from lime water, solution turns milky due to formation of calcium carbonate CaCO3. Which acid is present in sour milk or curd? Lactic acid. 2-hydroxypropanoic acid. Which are the chemical used for extinguishing fire? Sodium hydrogen carbonate and sulfuric acid. How can you say that metallic oxides are basic in nature? Metallic oxides reacts with acid and water. It shows that metallic oxide is basic. How are H plus ions released from water? In water, H plus ions combine with H2O molecules and release H3O plus ions. It is called hydronium ions. Mention the formula to find pH. pH is equals to minus log base 10 H3O plus or minus log base 10 H plus. What is a universal indicator? Universal indicator is a mixture of different indicators. It shows different colors with different pH values. By stings of honeybee on our body, which acid released from sting of honeybee gives us pain? Methanoic acid, HCOOH. By stings of honeybee, it releases methanoic acid and it gives us pain. By what name the salt of sulfuric acid is known? Sulfate salt. Why is NH3 base? However, it doesn't possess hydroxyl group. When NH3 dissolves in water, it gives ammonium hydroxide NH4OH, which is ionized into solution and gives OH minus ions. Therefore, it is a base. What happens when blue color sulfate crystals is heated? When blue crystals of CuSO4.5H2O are heated, then it turns into dehydrated CuSO4, white crystals. When ice and salt are mixed, what happens then? It is called freezing mixture. What is the concentration of H plus ions in pure water? 10 raised to minus 7 m means 10 raised to minus 7 mole per liter. If concentration of H plus ion increases in solution, then what is the effect of that solution on pH? As the concentration of H plus ions increases in solution, pH of that solution decreases. What is used in chalk stick for writing on blackboard? Plaster of Paris. What is the nature of solution of CuSO4 and why? The solution of CuSO4 is acidic and its reaction with water produces weak base CuOH twice and strong acid H2SO4. As a result, the pH of the solution will be less than 7. Ethyl alcohol C2H5OH possesses both groups H and OH. However, it is neither acidic nor basic. Why? Because ethyl alcohol doesn't give either H plus ion or OH minus ions in a solution. Therefore, it is neither acidic nor basic. Why dry HCl gas does not convert dry blue litmus paper into red, but it converts moist litmus paper into red color? Dry HCl gas cannot produce H plus ions. Therefore, it is not acidic, but it gives H plus ions in the presence of water or moisture. Thus, it acts like an acid. As a result, it converts blue litmus paper into red color. Give pH of the following: vinegar, coffee, milk, blood, egg white, milk of magnesia. The pH of vinegar is 2.4 to 3.4, coffee 4.5 to 5.5, milk 6.8, blood 7.4, egg white 7.8, milk of magnesia MgOH twice 10. Give concept of Arrhenius acid base. Acid is such a substance which gets double in water and gives H plus ions. Base is such a substance that gets soluble in water and gives OH minus ion. Which acid is secreted in stomach of human beings? HCl, hydrochloric acid. Give other use of bleaching powder except bleaching. It is used to make drinking water germ free because chlorine releasing from it destroys germs. We want to make diluted sulfuric acid from concentrated sulfuric acid. How can we do that? To make dilute sulfuric acid, water is added into concentrated sulfuric acid. Name the compound which produces plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is obtained from gypsum. Its chemical formula is CaSO4.2H2. What will be the effect of litmus on the following? Dry ammonia gas. Solution of ammonia gas in water. The effect of litmus paper on dry ammonia gas, it does not show any effect. And on ammonia gas, solution of ammonia gas in water makes red litmus paper into blue. Which base is used to get rid of stomach pain? Magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice or milk of magnesia. Write the chemical formula of caustic potash. Caustic potash, KOH, potassium hydroxide. Write the chemical formula of soda ash. Soda ash, Na2CO3, MgOH twice. Which compound reacts with chlorine to form bleaching powder, dry calcium hydroxide CaOH twice plus Cl2 chlorine gas gives CaCl2 bleaching powder plus H2O. What is the process of adding base to an acid called? Neutralization process. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. By which name do the elements like sodium, potassium, etc. are known as? Alkali metals. State the pH of human saliva. pH of human saliva is 7.4. State the chemical name of common salt used in food. NaCl, sodium chloride. Which acid is there in orange? Citric acid. Complete the given reaction. NaHCO3 plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. HNO3 plus KOH gives KNO3 plus H2O. 2NaOH plus H2CO3 gives Na2CO3 plus 2H2. HCl gives H plus Cl minus ions. Give any three chemical properties of acid. Acid reacts with metals and gives hydrogen gas. Acid reacts with base and gives salt and water. Acid reacts with metal carbonate and releases carbon dioxide gas. Give any four uses of acid. As a storage in battery H2SO4, as a storage for CH3COOH, manufacturing of fertilizers HNO3, in preparation of baking powder tartaric acid. Give any four uses of base. In preparation of soap NaOH, as antacid MgOH twice. In preparation of bleaching powder CaOH twice. In manufacturing of fertilizers NH4HO4. Which gas is excreted in following reactions? Zinc and dilute acid. Strongly H2 gas. Which gas is excreted in following reactions? Positive sodium carbonate with dilute HCl. Strongly CO2 gas. Zinc with sodium carbonate. No reaction occurs. A solution turns red litmus paper blue. Its pH is likely to be 10. The solution reacts with crushed eggshells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contains HCl. Crushed eggshells possesses a layer of calcium carbonate which reacts with dilute HCl and excretes CO2 gas. Here excreted CO2 gas turns lime water milky. Which one of the following type of medicines is used for treating indigestion? Antacid. Antacid possesses less amount of base solution. Why don't acids show acidic behavior in absence of water? Acids do not show acidic behavior in absence of water because acids cannot release H plus ions in absence of water. Hence, acids is dissolved in water, then only it can release H plus ions. Therefore, acid can show acidic characteristics in presence of releasing H plus in presence of water. They cannot show acidic characteristic in its absence. Fresh milk has a pH of 6. How do you think the pH will change as it turns into curd? Explain your answer. pH value will be decreased than 6. Because due to forming of curd from milk, lactic acid is formed in it which makes it more acidic. Thus, when curd is formed from milk, its pH becomes less than 6. A milkman adds a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk. Why does he lift the pH of fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? Milkman turns pH of fresh milk from 6 to basic side because by doing this the medium of milk becomes sour for longer time, means such milk doesn't become stale very fast. A milkman adds a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk. Why does this milk take a long time to set as curd? Such milk takes long time to set in curd because as a result of ionization there is a base in the form of baking soda which does not become acidic in a easy form. So milk take more time to become curd. Give two important uses of washing soda and baking soda. Uses of washing soda. The use of sodium carbonate is done in glass, soap and paper industry. It is used in preparation of sodium components like borax. Sodium carbonate is used in houses for cleaning purpose. It is used to remove permanent hardness of water. Uses of baking soda. The baking soda is used commonly in the kitchen for making crispy pakoras. It is added for faster cooking. The chemical name of compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is produced one among raw materials of sodium chloride. If anyone in your house is suffering from acidity problem, then which of the following cures will you suggest him? Baking soda solution. Acids are sour in taste. Base are bitter in taste. Which of the following is the example of natural indicator? Turmeric. Which artificial indicator is used for acid-base taste? Both A and B. Methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Which chemical formula of magnesium hydroxide is correct? MgOH twice. The order of the substances change in acidic medium and basic medium. What are they called? Olfactory indicators. Which is the missing link? Acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Which main product is obtained by reaction of sodium hydroxide in zinc metal? Na2ZnO2. Which of the following is not the form of calcium carbonate? Slaked lime. By what name the process of forming salt and water by reaction between acid and base is called? Neutralization reaction. Which type of oxide is called basic oxide? Metallic oxide. Which type of oxides are acidic in nature? Non-metallic oxide. By mixing acid or base with water, concentration of ions per unit is decreased. What is this called? Dilution. As the concentration of hydronium ion is more, the value of pH is less. What is the pH value of pure water or human blood? 7.4. When pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, what it is called? Acid rain. Which of the following is known as milk of magnesia? MgOH twice. Of what substance is upper layer of teeth made? Ca3PO4 twice. Layer of teeth, calcium phosphate. Which acid is used in leaves of nettle? Methanoic acid. HCOOH. NaCl, Na2SO4 and NaNO3 are members of which salt family? Sodium salt family. Which substance is used by chloroalkali method? NaOH. Which are useful substances for making of bleaching powder? Chlorine glass plus dry slaked lime. Which of the following is the chemical formula of bleaching powder? CaOCl2. What is the chemical formula of baking soda? NaHCO3. Give use of washing soda. Given all. In glass, soap and paper industry to remove permanent hardness, making of borax and all that. Give use of plaster of Paris to arrange broken bones, to smoothen the surface for making toys, all of the given. Following is useful for separate iron 2 chloride and iron 3 chloride, NaOH. pH scale is used for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in solution. Tooth animal possesses chemical substance named Ca3PO4 twice chemical phosphate, calcium phosphate. Acids are sour in taste and they convert blue litmus paper into red. There are some substances whose order changes in acidic or basic media. These are called olfactory indicators. Complete the common reaction. Acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. The process of obtaining salt and water by reaction between acid and base is called neutralization reaction. Generally, metallic oxides are called basic oxide. The reaction of any acid and base dissolving in water is of exothermic type. Mixing an acid or base with water results in decrease in the concentration of ions per unit volume. Such a process is called dilution. The universal indicator shows different colors at different concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. As higher the hydronium ion concentration, lower is the pH value. The pH of solution of milk of magnesia is 10. When pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, it is called acid rain. Bacteria present in mouth produce acid by degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth after eating. The sting of nettle leaves releases methanoic acid which causes painful stings. Sodium chloride and sodium sulfate are considered the member of sodium salt family. Chlorine gas is used in production of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is shown by formula CaOCl2. CaOH twice slake lime plus Cl2 gives CaOCl2 bleaching powder plus H2O. pH of acidic solution is less than 7. Chemical formula of gypsum is CaSO4.2H2O. Buttermilk is acidic in nature. To neutralize acidic soil, farmers add basic components to the land. To neutralize basic soil, farmers add acidic components to the land. Magnesium hydroxide is a weak base. Toothpaste generally contains calcium phosphate. Turmeric is a natural indicator.